Today second class science. In second class science first lesson, plants around us. Plants means plants ante మొక్కలు, around ante మన చుట్టుపక్కల. What we are seeing variety plants, no? So here given one warm up, one exercise. Name these parts of a plant. So we will get flowers, leaves, fruit from the plant only, no? So here given one fruit, one flower. You have to write these names. This is a fruit of a plant. This is a flower of a plant. Fruit, F-R-U-I-T, fruit. Flower, F-L-O-W-E-R, flower. Leaf, third one is leaf. Next, roots. This is also one part of a plant. So you have, after buying the textbook, you have to complete this. Now I am going to explain about plants. మొక్కల గురించి నేర్చుకుందాం. We see many plants growing all around us. Plants are different shape, size. Some plants are tall and some are short. Some plants grow on land and some grow in water. Plants are in different size and plants are in different shapes. Near your house you will see so many plants. అంటే మీ చుట్టుపక్కల, మీ ఇన్ యువర్ సరౌండింగ్స్, మీ చుట్టుపక్కల చాలా రకాల మొక్కల్ని మీరు చూస్తూ ఉంటారు. సో ఆల్ ఆర్ సేమ్ సైజ్, all are same shape? No, different. They are different in size and they are different in shapes also. Some are tall, కొన్ని పెద్దగా ఉంటాయి. Some are short, కొన్ని చిన్నగా ఉంటాయి. Some can grow on the land, కొన్ని భూమిలో పెరుగుతాయి. కొన్ని some plants can grow in water also. కొన్ని మొక్కలు వాటర్లో కూడా పెరుగుతూ ఉంటాయి. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ లోటస్ కానీ వాటర్ హయాసిన్, దే కెన్ గ్రో ఇన్ ద వాటర్, దే వోంట్ గ్రో ఆన్ ద ల్యాండ్. సో మెయిన్లీ plants are classified into 4 types. One is a tree, plants are classified into 4 types. One is a tree, trees. Next, second one is shrubs. Next, third one is herbs. Next, climbers. Next, creepers. First, plants are classified into five groups. One is a tree. First one is tree, shrubs, herbs, climbers and creepers. Now I am going to explain a tree, about a tree. Trees are big plants and they are tall, strong. They have a hard brown thick stem called the trunk. The trees can stand straight without any support. Trees means big plants, tall plants, strong plants are called trees. For example, we will see the neem plant. Neem plant means వేప చెట్టు, and also mango trees. So they are very strong and they are very big and they are very straight. They are very tall also. అంటే అవి పెద్దగా ఉంటాయి, స్ట్రాంగ్గా ఉంటాయి. They can stand by their own. They don't want any support to stand. So here we will see this is called a stem. No, in the trees we will see a hard stem that is colored with brown. This brown hard stem is called a trunk in a trees. So here we can see so many branches also in a tree. So here these are roots, this is a stem, brown colored hard stem is called a trunk, and next we will see so many branches in a tree. This is a tree. Trees can stand by their own. అవి స్వంతంగా నిల్చోగలుగుతాయి. They don't want any support to stand. These are trees. Next I am telling trees live for many years. They have many branches. Here are some names of trees. So trees can live many years. చాలా రోజులు బతికి ఉంటాయి అన్నమాట. Next here I am showing you some trees names. Banyan tree, మర్రి చెట్టు కదా, మర్రి చెట్టు. సో ఇది ఓల్డ్, అంటే ఎంత పెద్దగైనా కూడా బ్రతికే ఉంటుంది. కోకోనట్ ట్రీ ఆల్సో ట్రీ, ఇది కూడా ట్రీ. పీపల్ ట్రీ, పీపల్ మీన్స్ రావి చెట్టు, పీపల్ ట్రీ. సో ఇవన్నీ ట్రీస్ అన్నమాట. దే ఆర్ వెరీ స్ట్రాంగ్ అండ్ దే ఆర్ వెరీ టాల్. దే కెన్ స్టాండ్ బై దేర్ ఓన్. దే డోంట్ వాంట్ ఎనీ సపోర్ట్ టు స్టాండ్. పెద్దగా పెరుగుతూ ఉంటాయి, వాటి యొక్క రూట్స్ కూడా భూమి లోపలికి వెళ్ళిపోయి ఉంటాయి అన్నమాట. నెక్స్ట్ షెబ్స్. నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఈజ్ shrubs. Shrubs are much smaller than trees. Shrubs are smaller than a tree. కొంచెం చెట్టు కంటే ట్రీస్ కంటే కూడా కొంచెము చిన్నగా ఉంటాయి. Shrubs have thin brown and woody stem. They have many branches. Branches grow closer to the ground. Most shrubs live for few years. Here are some shrubs. For example, if you are seeing this is a rose plant. Here I am drawing a rose plant. We will see so many branches, leaves. Here flowers. For example, henna plant, pomegranate plant, hibiscus plant, mandara chettu. So they are very close to the ground. Ante ground దగ్గర పొదల్లాగా పెరుగుతూ ఉంటాయి అన్నమాట. సో వాటిని shrubs అంటారు. So they have a stem not strong like a tree. They are some strong but not strong as comparing with a tree. Shrubs are not strong comparing with a tree. So they have a brown woody stem. Brown color lo unde stem kuda untadi. And next here they grow. They must shrubs live for few years only. Trees laga chaala samvatsaralu idi batikunadu. They can live for few years. Konni samvatsaralu maatrame bratikunde. For example, here given some shrubs. A rose shrub. You will see in your houses rose plant how it is like so many branches, so many flowers, so many అంటే అదొక పొదలాగా కనిపిస్తూ ఉంటుంది అనమాట. జాస్మిన్ ఆల్సో అండ్ హెన్నా మీన్స్ మైదాగు పెట్టుకుంటారు కదా, సో అది అనమాట. నెక్స్ట్ హియర్ shrubs ఓవర్. నెక్స్ట్ హర్బ్స్. వాట్ ఆర్ హర్బ్స్? హర్బ్స్ ఆర్ వెరీ స్మాల్ ప్లాంట్స్. చిన్నగా లేతగా ఉండే మొక్కల్ని హర్బ్స్ అంటారు అనమాట. హర్బ్స్ హ్యావ్ సాఫ్ట్ గ్రీన్ అండ్ వీక్ స్టెమ్. వీటిలో స్టెమ్ కొంచెం స్ట్రాంగ్ ఉంటుంది. షేప్స్లో వీటిలో చాలా స్ట్రాంగ్ ఉంటుంది. స్ట్రాంగ్. ఇన్ హర్బ్స్ వీ విల్ సీ సాఫ్ట్ స్టెమ్, సాఫ్ట్ అండ్ థిన్. వీక్ స్టెమ్. కూర్చోండి. So in henna plant, in herbs we will see soft and thin stem. In herbs they will live for more than a year. అంటే ఒక సంవత్సరం కంటే ఎక్కువగా అవి బ్రతికి ఉండవు అనమాట. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ తులసి, we will see in your houses తులసి. How it is better? It is very weak and it is very soft. Next coriander, కొత్తిమీర. Next mint, పుదీనా. So these all small plants are called very small plants are called herbs. Next climbers. Climbers means some plants have weak stem. Here over we will see in this herbs soft and thin stem, but in climbers we will see very weak stem. By this weak stem they won't stand by their own. They want support to grow up, because for example in your houses we will see money plant and we will see pea climber ante batani chettu. So they want a support. They want a stick or a stick support, or they want a wall, goda support gaani undali, because they have to grow, no? So they won't stand by their own. So these type of climbers they will climb by the wall and they will climb with the support of a stick. So we are calling them a climbers. For example, here given some climbers: pea climber, batani chettu, beans, money climber. These are called a climbers. Climbers cannot stand by on their own. Climbers want to grow, want a support to grow, and climbers will grow so by the support. These are called a climbers. Next, creepers. And creepers also same like climber, but some differences are there. Difference are there from climbers and creepers. Climbers we will give the support, they will grow up, but creepers they won't grow up by giving the support also, because some plants are so they're weak. They have this very weak stem and their fruit is very in the creeper we will see a heavy weight of fruit. For example, pumpkin, watermelon, they are very heavy weight, no? So because for that weight they won't stand with the support of any wall and with the support of any stick. They will grow on the land. Bhumi paine perugutu untayi. For they are called a creepers. Lifespan of a plant. Some plants live for 100 of years, while live for few months. For some plants can live 100 of years and some plants can live few years. Trees like banyan and neem many live 100 of years. Konni vepa chetlu gaani mari chetlu, so they can grow 100 of years. most herbs are for season only, plants like a pea, sunflower, mint live for few months only. Herbs వీటన్నిటిలో అంటే by seeing these all groups, herbs can live only some days. So this is the lesson of a first lesson, plants around us. Tomorrow I will give these bits, the answers. First you have to buy the books.